Hello, welcome back. Welcome to day 2 of 30 Days in Notion and AI. My name is Sebastian. We're here. Let me just show you what I've been working on as I am using the color organization system to set up a whole new spread in Notion to simplify all of the notes and things I've been gathering over time. So, yesterday we covered, let me go over here. Yesterday we covered how I was creating a new administration, production, marketing, and personal, these team spaces over here to simplify the book art media ones that were already here. And I have been going through to add more graphics. Oh, there's the kitty. There's the kitty. You might want to go the other way, sweetheart. There you go. Okay. So I have gone in and, for example, in administration, I have gone in and added the sub-departments. There are 3 main departments. There's administration, production, and marketing. And these are the sub-departments, HR, accounting, technology. And so on the administration page, there are also, you can click directly to these other pages, or I put in these graphics and I will have links directly beneath them to those pages. So I don't even necessarily have to go down to the particular ones there. In production, I put in the same thing, but this is for the three types of things I produce: books and courses, art and merchandise, and then media. So I put in the graphics for here, and under media, I know that I put in some basic graphics I made specifically for Notion for my YouTube channels. So black and orange, there's a link there. Creative sprints, there's a link there. And color organization, there is a link there to that page. So I've got the logo here as the icon. Brand colors information, and then some information here about color-coded days. And I can actually show you a little bit of that, because let me just close this up. So normally when I come in here, there are just 4 team spaces right there, and I can quickly get to every part of my business or my personal life. And I gather all kinds of stuff. It helps me organize. For example, I need to replace these glasses, but it turns out these frames are slightly bigger in some way than a lot of the ones on the market. So I was able to find that and write it down and my kind of document my search for new glasses and our new frames or to replace these. And I walked away from that. I had to do some other stuff, but now next time I need to work on it, I can just go boom, personal, health, eyeglasses. So, all right. So for 1 second here, the other thing I just wanted, no, actually, you know, I'm going to save my calendar for tomorrow, because I'm really trying to put everything into Notion, and it's not in Notion yet directly. But I'm going to figure out how to put it there. So anyway, well, this is what I've been working on. Bailey Boo is feeling better. I had a lot of snow to shovel this morning. And of course, I've got all the great, I can switch out these covers every holiday or season, or however I would like to put that together. So. And down here, you can also see it in marketing. Oh, I forgot I put these into the 3 subcategories under marketing: graphics, social media, and ads. contacts and customers, or customers and contacts, and the links will be right underneath there. They're probably by tomorrow. So we're making progress here. And yeah, simple stuff, but very powerful. There are a lot of templates. For example, I was just looking at, we saw up here under production, media, color organization. This idea of a brand. There are, right now I just have this sitting here for a minute, but I'll be creating a table where I'll have the different graphics, actually a database. We'll have the different graphics that are needed for, and the colors, the brand colors, and all that kind of fun stuff. One thing Notion is really good at, it has a lot, and I mean a lot of templates. Really useful. So if I go here under administration, is it in the wiki or is it on? No, oh, okay, here, resources, Notion templates. And I've been organizing them. There are a bunch of different kinds. I haven't organized any of these. They have 3 topics over on Notion. There are work templates, life templates, school templates. And I have been kind of moving those out into my own categories: administration, HR, accounting, technology, production, books and courses, marketing. So if I go here, best marketing templates, sales, PR, website building. Oh no, that opened on a different page. So hang on, I'll just grab the URL and come back. Will that let me do this, or will it kick me out? It may kick me out. Oh no, I think it did work. Okay, so with Notion, they have all of these templates. They don't use my system, the 3 main topics and then subtopics. But for example, brand guidelines, I could use one of these as a starting point to figure out how I need to fill out that page. So brand assets, this is free. A lot of these are free. Brand guidelines, so brand manual, however you want to put it, whatever speaks to you. So, and like I said, most of these are free. So I can go through and I'll pick one. So, oh, sweetheart. All right, so anyway, that is where I am. And if I go back here, yep, back to production, media, and this is where we started. Some nice snow on the trees with the nice yellow gold for production media. All right, so that's going to do it for day 2. Making progress. Hopefully this is giving you some inspiration. And we'll just keep on keeping on. So thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Thank you.